In the previous video, we understood the navigation bar in AutoCAD 2027. We saw that the navigation bar helps us to move around the drawing using tools like zoom, pan, and view controls. Now, in this video, we'll understand the UCS icons. The UCS icon is a small X and Y symbol you see inside the drawing area. It helps us to understand the direction of the drawing space. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx, AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand UCS icon in a simple way. The UCS icon is usually located near the bottom left side of the drawing area. UCS stands for User Coordinate System. I know that sounds technical, but don't worry. At beginner level, you only need to understand one simple thing. The UCS icon shows the direction of the AutoCAD drawing space. It shows which direction is X and which direction is Y. In AutoCAD, the drawing area works with directions. The X direction usually goes left and right, and the Y direction usually goes up and down. So when you see UCS icon, it's showing you how AutoCAD understands direction inside the drawing. This becomes useful when we start learning coordinates, exact distances, angles, and object options. For now, just remember, X is left and right, Y is up and down. The UCS icon is usually useful because AutoCAD is based on accuracy and direction. When you draw, move, copy, rotate, or place the objects, AutoCAD needs to understand where things are located. The UCS icon gives us a visual reference for the direction. For 2D drawings, we usually work in a normal top view, so the UCS icon stays simple. But later, if you are working in 3D or change views, the UCS icon becomes more important because it helps you understand the orientation of the drawing. Since this course is focused on beginner 2D drafting, we don't need to change the UCS right now. Most of the time, we will keep the normal X and Y direction. We'll draw lines, walls, rooms, shapes, and objects in the regular 2D drawing space. So if the UCS icon looks confusing, don't worry. You don't need to click or change anything right now. Just know that it is showing the direction of your drawing area. Later in this course, we will learn coordinates. The UCS icon will make more sense. For example, AutoCAD can place points based on X and Y values. One value controls horizontal direction, the other value controls the vertical direction. That is why UCS icon is connected to coordinates. But for now, you don't need to memorize coordinates. Just understand that UCS icon is showing the basic direction system AutoCAD uses. As a beginner, you don't need to change the UCS. Many new users accidentally click or change the settings they don't understand. And then the drawing screen feels confusing. So my advice is simple. For now, just leave the UCS icon as it is. We'll focus on drawing, editing, units, object snap, layers, dimensions, and other basic tools first. Once you are comfortable with AutoCAD, then advanced topics like UCS changes will make more sense. So let's quickly summarize UCS icon. UCS icon is usually located at the bottom left side of the drawing area. UCS stands for User Coordinate System. It shows direction of the drawing space. The X direction usually goes left and right. The Y direction usually goes up and down. For beginner 2D drafting, we normally keep UCS as it is. And later, when we learn coordinates, this icon will become more understandable. Before we moving to the next video, do this small practice. Open AutoCAD and look near at the bottom left side of the drawing area. Find the UCS icon. Notice the X direction and Y direction. Move your cursor around the drawing area and think of the screen as a simple direction system. Left and right are connected to X. Up and down are connected to Y. You don't need to click anything or change any setting. Just become familiar with where UCS icon is and what it shows. So this was the UCS icon in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that UCS icon shows the direction of the drawing space. It may look technical, but for now, you only need to understand X and Y direction. In the next video, we'll understand one of the most important part of the AutoCAD, the command line. The command line is where AutoCAD gives instructions, asks for input, and let us type commands directly. So in the next lesson, we'll understand the command line in a simple way. I'll see you in the next lesson.